Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to show you some of the meal prep containers and a few things we can do the meal prep on weekends or whenever you have time. So let's see. These are the glass containers that are stackable. I purchased them from Costco. The brand name is Yellow. They are dishwasher safe and also oven safe. So, and the important thing is the lid will fit easily. For me, all the time the lid has to fix very easily. For a week, I am only cutting 2 or 3 types of vegetables in advance because these vegetables will take long time to cut it in the morning. So it will help in my weekday. Since these containers are stackable and it occupies less space in the fridge. So this is one advantage of the having a stackable containers. And these are other type of reusable Ziplocs and they are BPA free. We can wash them and reuse them. We can use them for 1,000 times. Every time when I purchase the paneer from the grocery store and I cut them and put them in the Ziplocs. Next time whenever you are going to use it, we can take the portion of the paneer and we can consume it. Here I also use small Ziplocs for storing my ginger. This ginger I am going to use in my tea or in my water. So I already cut them in advance. Here as part of meal preparation, I also cut the cantaloupe into pieces. Any fruits, especially cantaloupe, watermelon or pomegranates, are washed and cut them to make it as ready to eat. There is more chance of consumption. So in this way we can also cut the fruits in advance and kept in the fridge. Here I cut carrot pieces and cucumber pieces and storing for salad. So for any meal we can include the salad, and if you are cut them in advance we are going to eat them. I hope this video can be helpful for someone who want to do meal prep. This will give you some idea. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video please subscribe.